As I find myself at a crossroad in life, and I could live pretty much anywhere, I realized that I look at places from a different perspective. Now, I drive through a town and I think, could I live here? Would I like it here? How are the winters here? And during my travels, I have realized that I'm very attracted to small towns. I have also considered living in the mountains. A big part of me really feels the need to recluse myself and move far, far away, up in the boonies where nobody can find me or bother me. In my next life, in my future life, my ideal lifestyle would be a homestead setting. So I have been looking for land. I have been looking into small towns. If you are subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm in love with the Ogden Valley in Utah. There is the little town of Huntsville. I truly fell in love with that town. Come along with me and let's take a ride through Huntsville.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Well, your heart is a sun and it shines as it opens.
Yeah, your bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Yeah, your bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Well, your bones are the earth and they sing with the mountains.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Say,
inside?
why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Your
inside?
mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Your mind is a space that creates your horizon.
Well, your mind is a space that creates the horizon.
Say, why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why
inside?
would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world
Why would
inside?
you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
You know, you can feel it when you look inside. You know, you can feel it, and it's no surprise.
While I was driving through it, I really felt like the spirit of America. Beautiful lawns, the American flag is green, it's clean, like people really care about their homes. And that really resonated with me.
A small town in a little oasis where my big dreams were gonna take me places. I would make bets with the rising sun and tell him all I had done. Late night walks into Lindbergh Park, and sometimes I kiss a girl even after dark. And I never had to shout, 'cause I could hear my thoughts out loud. I just wanna make you proud. And Little Falls, you're a small town, honey, rich in love but not in money. Even if I change my tempo, not gonna let go of everything you meant to me. And Little Falls, you will stay my home. And if I move on when I am full grown, I will still make bets with the rising sun, like I did when I was young. Not all my memories are good though, but I wouldn't change them if I could, no. Big smiles and ridiculous laughter, I will fold that in. And remember where I begin, you are my next of kin. Little Falls, you're a small town, honey, rich in love but not in money. Even if I change my tempo, not gonna let go of everything you meant to me. And Little Falls, you will stay my home. And if I move on when I am full grown, I will still make bets with the rising sun, like I did when I was young. I see you on the main street, I see you on Broadway, 'cause there is always room for two. I see you on the main street, I see you on Broadway, 'cause there is always room for you. Little Falls, you're a small town, honey, rich in love but not in money. Even if I change my tempo, not gonna let go of everything you meant to me. And Little Falls, you will stay my home. And if I move on when I am full grown, I will still make bets with the rising sun, like I did when I was young. Like I did when I was young. Like I did when I was young.
As you can tell, it's a beautiful, beautiful town with amazing homes. Small homes, large homes, they have it all. But it is too expensive for me. So now I have my eyes and my ears open to a great deal, and perhaps right now is not the best time to make any type of investments. So right now I'm just in the stages of researching of what I might like, but I want to be ready when the time is right. But I would love to know your recommendations. You are more familiar with this beautiful country than I am. I found the friendless horses, and they're so cute. Hi, my friend. Can I eat my camera? Are you eating my camera? Are you eating my camera? Huh?
You're funny. You're funny, Hoshi. Well, he's the best friend I found so far. He's so adorable. He wants to buy me. He wants to buy me. Are you wanna buy me? Bye. Bye, Horsey. Bye, Horsey.
I hope that you enjoyed the streets of Huntsville. It's such a beautiful town with so much to offer. I wish I could afford it, but right now it's not the right time, and I'm okay waiting. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Ow.